MailerGPT. Hey there, welcome to my MailerGPT review. I'm Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit, and I generate a full-time income on the internet doing digital marketing. And I've been doing this for over 10 years now, which is really cool working from home. So I thought I'd let you know about this new product and combine my internet marketing experience over the last 10 years with the software and strategy used as part of MailerGPT. Hopefully that will help you as part of your research. If you click the link below, click the link in the video description below, you can discover my current #1 recommended system to plug into right now. It's a complete done-for-you system and a really excellent way to get started generating realistic online income. So click the link in the video description below for that. So MailerGPT, I've seen similar products launched recently on this same sort of style. Basically, it's an email autoresponder and broadcaster service, similar to Aweber and GetResponse. But instead of paying a monthly fee, it's a one-time access to the software. And you can use the SMTP servers they've got provided, or you can hook up your own SMTP servers that you're subscribed to and paid access to send the emails. And you can basically use it as kind of an Aweber or GetResponse service, but for the one-time fee. And you can also upload your own subscribers to that list and start mailing them straight away. The unique part of this, however, is the integration with ChatGPT to actually write the email. So within the software console itself, you can actually type in a keyword and it will generate the emails for you. That's the unique aspect to MailerGPT, is the actual writing of the emails and the email sending all in one place. So basically with the email writer, what you're doing is you are going to the email writer section and then just typing a keyword. With the demo, they've just put in email marketing, and then they write you a generic email marketing template of an email you can send to your list around that topic area of email marketing or whatever it is you're promoting, and then you can schedule that same email to be sent to a list within the software itself without having to hook up any other software or tools. So it's quite an interesting approach to everything's all in one area. However, I'm skeptical it's that beneficial for the typical person, beginner with internet marketing, because Aweber and GetResponse are just fine for most internet marketing leads, and they do let you upload your own existing list to them anyway. They're not that strict with it. They just want to see the CSV file, make sure it's built legitimately. So the main benefit of MailerGPT is the fact they've got the AI writing tool built into it. But what you could do to achieve the same output is to go to ChatGPT for free, type in a prompt for it to create you an email, then copy and paste that email into Aweber or GetResponse. There's not much extra work required for that compared to using something like MailerGPT. The advantage is that it's all in one place and that you don't have to pay the monthly fees. You just got one service provided like this for you. It just seems a bit of extra work compared to just standardly using the main services that exist already. And in terms of AI writing in general for email marketing, I'm not convinced on that. I think the benefit of AI writing is to produce just generic SEO content, blog posts and articles that you can produce en masse and quicker to get more SEO long tail keyword style traffic. And maybe you can actually write press releases with AI as well. I think that's a good benefit, getting them to write you a press release based on some article content you already have existing. They also have lead capture pages like this within MailerGPT, so you can build your list by sending traffic to a lead capture page, which is quite a cool additional tool they've got as part of MailerGPT. And also you can hook up additional SMTP services such as Mailgun to send the emails if you already have an SMTP provider that you use. But with AI, with email marketing with AI, what the best way to write emails is, in my opinion, is to write the same sort of text as the sales page you're promoting and just put that in the email, put the same sort of heading in the email, bullet points. You can copy and paste some key bullet points from the sales page into your email, write a line or two, and then say, click here to get more information. Emails are very simple with internet marketing. They're simply designed to get the click. That's the main thing, is to get the click. I don't do much pre-selling or selling in the email itself. I'm just writing content that is congruent with the sales page to get the click, and then all the pre-selling, the bridge page, the warm-up is done on the next page, not within the email. So I'm skeptical an AI tool is needed to craft these emails, unless maybe English isn't your first language and you want help writing good quality English and getting it to check the grammar. That's where I believe AI comes in. But if you're already good at English, it's better off just to see what emails are appearing in your email inbox anyway, making the inbox. Use that as a template for how to craft a simple email and just use the same sort of text on the next page you are promoting. Where AI struggles with writing emails is it doesn't know how to make it congruent with the page you're promoting. They just write a generic email based on a generic keyword. But the most important thing with an email is that it's congruent with the page you're promoting, or it's so generic that it's simply saying click here to see the system, that it doesn't matter what the sales page is. It's either so generic or very specific. That's what works with email marketing. These AI kind of emails are somewhere in between. They're kind of relevant in the same sort of niche, but they're not specific enough or generic enough to be really useful. So I am a big believer in AI in writing content. I'm just skeptical about using it with email marketing. Anyway, MailerGPT looks like a cool service. It gives you what it says on the tin, a new email autoresponder service to use, like Aweber and GetResponse. You can hook up your own subscribers, your own SMTP. You can write the emails and send it within the system. So it does what it says on the tin. It delivers the goods of if this is the sort of thing you're looking for. It's just on the overall strategy and business model, I don't see the benefit of using AI and an email service when you can do everything using the basic Aweber and GetResponse anyway and write your own emails. I'm just skeptical of the approach, not the software itself. Anyway, thanks a lot for checking out my quick thoughts on MailerGPT. If you click the link below, you can discover my current top system to plug into right now. For me, it's all about getting traffic and building an email list and getting consistent clicks to high-paying, high-converting sales page. And that simple approach has worked for me for over 10 years now. So click the link in the video description below for my current top recommended system for that. And it's a really cool way to get started getting your own traffic, your own list, and your own commissions coming in. Anyway, thanks a lot for checking out my quick MailerGPT review. All the best and speak soon.